everyone. We are from Team 5 CSMC, and we all have come together to work on this project called Car on Walls. This is my teammate Yashwant. This is Roshit. I am Tushar. This is Pavan Karthik. This is Anil, and this is Sriram. We are going now. My friends will explain about the project.
Our project name is Car on Walls. Actually, we have made it for the children who play. This module is made for only the children. Also, adults can use this. This the project is based upon the IoT based. This came through the setup of Bluetooth module. We have made this through the many children nowadays are using a remote card, but these are using a lack of geometry. So we have done a specific changes in the car module systems. We have changed the setup of the remotes. We have then attached the Bluetooth model, so children can attract by this and they can play by the operating of Bluetooth system to the mobile connectivity. Particularly advanced. Actually, we use a propeller here, which will act the opposite force of the gravitation, so that which will be flowing, which will be moving upward, so that it will not fall down from this. It has the enough grip to contain brushless motor in this project, so that which we can move freely, and we will. This is a 12 volt. This is a 12 voltage battery which we use for this motor, and this propeller will be having 1000 RPM.
Myself Anil, and I am from Team 5. The existing innovations of this project are the remote control cards, and which kids were playing by controlling it by remote, and we are invited our project for the kids which can move on walls also, and without help of remote control. We use this in this project. We use Bluetooth module, and by this we connected an app from this Bluetooth module in our phone. But from our phone we operate the car, and it should be move on the horizontal surfaces also. Gaps in existing solutions are the current existing solution. Remote control cars are made by cheaper and non-durable components. To decrease the cost of production, make cars in bad option for the long run, and it may causes.
Good afternoon, I'm Tushar, and we have come up with a solution of making a remote control car which can run on any inclined surface, and it does not require any manual power. It can be controlled through a mobile app, and the components required in the project are Arduino Uno, Bluetooth module, brushless motor driver, a lightweight car model, and electronic speed controller. This is the Arduino Uno which we use in our project. This is the Bluetooth module. These are the DC gear motors. These are 2400 mAh batteries. This is the motor driver, and this is the brushless motor which we used in our project.
Yes. The main aim of our project is to develop a RC car which can move on walls, and to make it more affordable and economical. The RC cars nowadays are made of cheaper components, and which are not replaceable. So we made a remote control car which can move on walls, and these parts can be replaceable easily, and they can be found in the supermarket, in the shops easily.
This is the business model of our project. So first, with the help of Arduino, we have connected to the Bluetooth module. We have connected to the mobile by using an app which can be available in the Play Store, and we can operate both these wheels and also this propeller speed with this app. Now let's see how it works. In that we can start this and so this is how it works, and by this propeller
by this speed of the propeller we can hold this complete equipment onto the walls, and we can by this wheels we can move the car wherever we want, in which direction we want.
And we would like to conclude by thanking Mr. Satish sir, Mr. Venkateshwar sir, and Mr. Suresh sir for being support to our project and making it a great success. Thank you.